Hey guys, welcome back to another D4 Guns video. Today we're taking a look at a Sig Sauer P226 Navy version Mark 25. Comes with the original hard case, has all the original info on the side here still. The 2013 manufacture date as well. Let's open it up. This pistol comes with 1, 2, and 3 15-round magazines. Let's take a look at the gun. This pistol is famously known as a Navy SEAL sidearm. It's a civilian version of the one they carry, indicated by that anchor stamp right there. This is still in excellent condition, and it is a 9mm pistol with a 4.25 inch barrel. Has an accessory rail here, serial number there. This also has SIGLITE night sights for the extra visibility in low light. Slide is still nice and smooth. It also comes with a few extras underneath here. Has a cable lock, the original manual, and a Sig Sauer certificate of authenticity for the Mark 25 version. If you're interested in this gun or any of our others, check them out at d4guns.com.